Hello guys, I hope you're doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to take a screenshot of a very long and lengthy page. So for example, I open the internet browser, okay, and then you can see over here I open some random website, and you can see it's a long website, it's a long page. So guys, you can see over here, if I scroll down, you can see over here it's a long page. And now if I want to take the screenshot of this whole page, how I can do it? So simply what I have to do is I have to select the S Pen button, okay, so I just press it. Okay, so once I press it, so you can see over here there is an option of screen write. So you can see this option of screen write, so you just select it. Okay, so once you select it, it will take the screenshot. Okay, now the next step, what you have to do, you will see a second option over here with the pen. It's called scroll page option, guys. You can see over here there's a very small icon, it's called scroll page. Okay, so you just select it. Okay, so once you select it, it will open a small window here on the side, okay, of the page, and then you have to scroll your page. So you can see this option over here, it's called scroll capture. So you just select it, and once you select it, it will start capturing the page. Okay, so I will scroll down. Okay, so you can see over here this window, it's getting bigger. Okay, so you can see over here it is containing the all of the content. Okay, and then I scroll down. Okay, so I will take it to the end. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, and then I scroll down. Okay, 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 so now our whole page is finished now. So once I finish with the whole page, I press this done. Okay, so once I press done, you can see over here the complete screen is over here. Now you have a different option. If you want to write something, okay, so you can write, and if you don't want to write something, you don't need to write something, it's up to you. Okay, so now the second option is, if you want to use some part of the screen, you can use it, or if you want to use it as a whole, you can use it as well. So the next step, what you have to do, you have to use this save option. Okay, so I save it. Okay, so once you press this save button, it will save it to your gallery. So now what I will do, I will open the screenshot. So I will show you how does it work. So you can see it says screenshot saved. Okay, so I open it through the gallery. Okay, and now you can see our screenshot is here. Now if you want to zoom it, so you can zoom it, and then you can see it is clearly showing all of the text, and it is also showing all the images. Okay, so everything is clear. So you can see, you can make it small, you can make it bigger. Okay, and then if you want to edit, you can edit it as well. Okay, so you can see over here, so it is completely taken. So guys, this is a screenshot, this is not the website. So you can see I write over here, so you can see. Okay, and then if you want to directly go to the website and the screenshot that you have taken, so you can select this option of go to website, so you can directly go to the website. Okay, and then you can see all the text, everything is clear, guys. Okay, so this is really amazing. So by this method, you can take the screenshot of a long and lengthy pages. Okay, so you can see, and you can make it small, and then if you want to edit it, you can again edit it, you can again take the screenshot using the same pen option. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.